Okay, what is securities law? Generally, this is the body of federal and state law that governs the sale or transfer of a beneficial interest or ownership interest in any form of business entity. Okay, so in summary, a beneficial interest, ownership interest in a business entity. When you sell or transfer that to another person, this regulatory regime, the securities laws, governs the conditions or methods or procedures for transferring that interest. The purpose of securities law is to protect the purchaser or recipient of the securities from fraud or deceptive practices by the transferor. Okay. And it does this primarily through disclosure. It puts specific requirements on the holder of the securities. Sometimes it's the business entity itself that's issuing securities for the first time. Other times it's a secondary holder of the securities and transferring it to someone else. But it requires these individuals to make disclosures to the recipient of the security under the premise that fully armed with the knowledge or facts of the situation, then the recipient can make an accurate or at least informed decision with regard to the purchase of those securities. The primary securities laws are the Federal Securities Act of 1933 and the Federal Securities Act of 1934, along with a body of state law surrounding the regulation of securities. And we'll discuss each of those in subsequent series.